The research is pretty clear that social isolation increases aggression, particularly in males. And one of the reasons we know from the research is that what happens in the adolescent brain when it restructures itself is that part of what it has to do is something called social cognition and social dominance. In other words, how are you going to get resources from your peers, safety and belonging when you're an adult? And because of COVID, a lot of that development that happens didn't happen because it happens in social context, and those were taken away. So one of the things we're seeing now, particularly in students, particularly in males, but all students in particular, is an increased level of social aggression. What do you do about that? Well, a couple things you can do about it if you're in the school business is, one, make them work with a buddy on their work, and number two, the second thing you can do is provide kinds of activities like dancing at lunch, okay? Like things that require social interaction so that brain development gets spurred. It's a key factor in that whole mix. Females bond over shared conversation. Male brains tend to bond over shared activities. So if you can find a shared activity, that is a way then to lessen social isolation as well.